Hi guys, good evening. Let's begin with the analysis of the market. Now, as you can notice, we have further downside movement today by Nifty, just like we were expecting. Um, so what we're going to do is we will look at a new method of analyzing the market. Very simple but effective way of understanding what's happening in the market. So all we do is instead of using the normal candlesticks, we're going to use something known as Heikin-Ashi candles, which, as you can see, removes a lot of noise. Okay, how we understand these candles is the green ones, which do not have a spike on the bottom, are the bullish candles. The red ones, which no spike on the top, only a spike on the downside, are the bearish candles. And the third one is this one, which is either green or red and has a spike on both sides, which is basically the indecision candle. So over the course of the next couple of videos, you will understand how this strategy works, how this is better than candlesticks in certain ways and has its own pros and cons, and how it can help you improve on your analytical skills. Right. So if you see what's happening in the chart, yesterday's candle gave us an indecision after this bullish run, indicating that this uptrend has stopped. Does not indicate that we are going to start a downtrend, but the uptrend is stopped. And today's candle, after it has closed, indicates that now we are in either in a downtrend or a retracement, but definitely not an uptrend anymore. Okay, similar thing had happened here, but the following day we saw another indecision candle, which signaled that we could be starting the uptrend again. Alright, so for those of you who are not very clear with this, I'd request you to watch more of our videos to understand this. For now, just to summarize this, Nifty has shown that we are going to be looking at a certain pullback. As I mentioned earlier, I am expecting the pullback to be up till the previous support zone, which is where the market broke out from, which was around this area of 11,126. Okay, and to get a much better understanding of this, you can use two of these indicators. One is the exponential 200-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so Bollinger Band is we'll do a video later about how these bands are calculated and what they signify. But currently, if you notice, the lower range is very close to our support. Okay, so this is where we are expecting the price to touch before it continues its uptrend. Now, for the shorter time frame, you can go into lower time frames, hourly chart especially, to see where you could expect the first pullback to reach. Here, the band has already started to expand on the downside after a contraction, and we had gotten a sell signal much earlier on the 3rd of April, which is yesterday itself. Okay, so that's what is happening in Nifty. I'm expecting 11,332 very soon, and once that has reached, we will see what next. That's a view on Nifty, and Bank Nifty is a similar setup. We have a confirmation here as well that we are now in a downtrend or a retracement. Four-hour price has been pulling itself down, and on the hourly chart, the target or the nearby support for short term for this week is 29,065.60. Right, so that's all for now. I'm not covering any stocks today as you guys haven't mentioned any in the comments. Looking forward to your views and comments tomorrow. See you guys.